Hi, we are Team Mixweather. Our client has developed a condition assessment framework which provides a measure of how well the terrestrial ecosystem is functioning biodiversity. To do this, go to ecosystem throughout Queensland and gather relevant data. When they return from the field, the data is manually entered into a database and compared to previously established benchmarks.
The final results are a score from 0 to 1 that indicates the health of the ecosystem, 1 being equal to the benchmark which is desired. Lastly, a report is generated detailing the data and score, as well as GPS locations and the photos of the ecosystem. Currently, the data is written on paper and then entered into the database, which effectively duplicating the effort required.
Our focus of this project is to simplify the process and reduce the required number of devices. To meet these requirements, the team is building an Android application for tablets that will do the whole process, including exporting the data and generating a report.
While the main intended user of the application will be Queensland Herbarium, other intended users will include government organisations such as the Brisbane City Council, private companies such as the mining company, environment consultants and non-government organisations. This application will be valuable for the users because it will make the process much easier and more efficient. Rather than having an application to take photos with, an application to get the GPS and using paper to write down the data, it will put all of those things together into one application.
And this is a demonstration of the application. When the user first opens the application on their tablet, this is the main screen that will appear, and there'll be 3 buttons that they can choose from. Input data is the first one we'll look at, and this will be the main screen the users will use when they're out in the field and want to enter the data in. So they can enter the data in here. The location will automatically be retrieved from the tablet. They can save, and that'll save it. If they want to take a photo, they can click this button and that'll be attached. Otherwise, they can search for an image and using this button. Then we'll go back. The second one is calculate score. So you can select which biocondition area you want to compare your scores against. You can enter numbers in the white fields, and the other 3 ones will compare and show a score. You can save it, export a report, or you can clean it, which will get rid of all the white values. And the final one is just viewing the benchmark. So this is when the users don't want to enter any of it, they just want to look. And this is the location part of the application, which we haven't implemented yet. Here's our current location, and you can search for a postcode.